Hi, Deborah.
Hello, Ryan.
How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks.
That is amazing.
I know.
I like the blue.
Hey, thanks.
Is that a coral?
It's a cobalt.
A cobalt.
Yes,
Okay.
cobalt blue. I have a few questions for you today.
All right.
All right. As your new career agent, I've
I'm
appreciated
kind of afraid.
a lot of the training information, actually all of the training information. The moments of you driving us crazy, that was good too.
I'm good at that.
Yep. And also,
It takes crazy to drive crazy.
it does. It does. And it's pretty successful for you, so that's good. So I have a few questions for you
All right.
to find out a little bit more about you.
Okay. Shoot.
All right. So the first one is,
Fire away, shooter.
when did you become a part of the Farmers family?
In 2008, I opened up my agency.
Yeah. What inspired you to do that?
I'd been working for people for years and just decided that I was tired of building somebody else's dream and I'd figure out a way to build my own.
Okay. And what did you do before you joined the Farmers family?
I had a few people I worked for. The most recent before I opened the agency up was just a small business, rental car startup business. I was in college. I came in to wash cars, and we had a few cars in the fleet. And for about 9 years, I worked there building it into a 300-car fleet, a couple locations, and I learned a lot about business startups.
So nothing really about insurance. So what did you bring with that prior knowledge to your insurance business?
Going through the process of watching a business go from infancy to maturity was greater than a college education. So you got to really see how things developed, systems developed, people came in and out of the business, vendors developed relationships, and I just figured I like the relationship business, and this is really tied to a relationship business model.
Thank you. And so why did you select Farmers?
They were willing to give me money. I had a few ideas. I went out there, and in the real world, if you try to go to a bank and ask them for money to work on an idea, it's very rare that anybody would even consider you without great assets. And when I met with the district manager and talked to a district manager, what I found was the company is willing to invest subsidy dollars into me starting up an agency, and my commitment was to just make it work. And so I set out on this path. I wasn't interested in insurance, but I liked the idea of building the relationships and rapport. I had a large company that would back any promise I made to a family or a business that we would be there in the event of worst case scenario. So I liked the aspect of this company because of that, and then obviously the investment strategy with the company allowed me to fund a startup. So,
Right. And you've shared all that with us before.
yes.
It's helped inspire us go forward. So thank you. So now, what is your primary objective now that you are a district manager?
It's kind of a pay it forward. You know, when I sold my agency, it was a challenge because I was giving up something that I really worked hard to build. But as a district manager, I really changed the label to district motivator, small business coach. Farmers gave me their checkbook now and said, find quality people to partner with. And so that's what we do. Now I have the ability to do the same for other people that somebody did for me, when I started. So
It shows. Thank you. All right. And any last bit of advice that you can give anyone to start their own business?
Regardless of the products, it's not really about the products. It's about, knowing what it takes to open a business, the psychological, emotional, the support that you need, the capital. I would just recommend you first read a lot. I read a lot about Entrepreneurial Myth, E-Myth, written by Michael Gerber. I'm a student of business. Study. Everybody has the same challenges starting any type of business. Figure out what it is. If it's for you, you're leaving only 3% of people ever jump into a small business startup, and even fewer make it. So know what you're getting into, and make sure you have the capital, the financial, you have a business plan, and find mentors. Mentors are everything. So positive people. You have to have positive people. It's like a bunch of crabs in a bucket, my dad used to say. You have a bunch of crabs in the bucket, a few of them are going to try to climb out, but the rest will grab onto them and pull them back down. So
Nice. Well, thank you. And thank you, Erica, for
hey,
your
and
assistance.
congratulations on your career appointment.
Thank you. I'm so
you're
excited.
official. We're
Changed
putting
my
money
entire
into your
life.
business now, and
Yes.
you're going to be great. And you have a lot of good mentors, and I'm really proud of you. So we're going to go places together.
Thank
so
you very much.
thanks, Deb.
Awesome.